Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready for another exciting cooking episode. So today we're making something really special, Thiébou. Some of you might know it as jollof rice, but in Gambia and Senegal it's partly called Thiébou. Now let me share a little secret with you. People argue all the time about which country has the best son of rice, Nigeria, Ghana, and Sierra Leone. But when it comes to Thiébou, there's no argument at all. This dish is the original, the mother of all jollofs, and in my opinion, the absolute best version you'll ever taste in Africa. So today, we're going to cook rich jollof packed with vegetables and fish. And then, guys, trust me, that's the best jollof rice ever. So now we're going to start preparing our vegetables, our tomatoes, spring onions, cassava, cabbage, parsley, scotch bonnet, and our aubergine with garlic and carrots and cassava, everything, guys. So guys, this is rough. So the reason why we make rough is to give the fish a good rich flavor. So that's parsley, garlic, pepper, Maggi, and a bit of black pepper. So that's the rough, guys. That's me stuffing it in the fish. So I'll just put it in all the fish, guys. You guys need to try this method. It's lovely, like it's tasty, guys. You guys need to try it out. So guys, after doing this, I'll put in a bit of fish seasoning around my fish and then give it a mix so the fish tastes so good. So I'll add oil and then leave it for 4 to 5 minutes to heat up, and then I'll put in my onions, mix it for a while, and then put in my tomato paste. The reason I'm adding tomato paste is to have that redness we want from the jollof rice, guys. And then after that, I'll add some water and then put in my vegetables to cook. You can put all your vegetables at once, guys. And then put in some bay leaf to give it that rich taste and flavor. And then that's me adding my Maggi seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice, any seasoning. And then I'll give it like 10 to 20 minutes to cook. And then add blended pepper with seed tomato. And then add my shrimps and then cover it to cook. So I'll just give it like maybe maximum 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll check it out later after that. That's me taking off my cooked vegetables with my shrimps, and then I'm adding my fish. The reason why I did this, guys, is because I don't have a large pot, so it can't contain all of it. So that's why I did it a bit by bit. So that's me mixing my fish, give it some time to cook properly, and then I'll take it out when it's been cooked already. I'll add my black pepper and then add some salt and then mix it together, and then lastly I'll add my washed rice, mix it up with the sauce. And then guys, I'll advise you, when you reach this stage, please just turn your gas on low heat to avoid the rice from burning. And then give it a mix. And then you can cover it. Give it some time to cook. And please, you can be checking it from time to time to check whether your rice is properly cooked. Mine looks cooked already. And then I'll prepare to dish it out soon. So this is me dishing out my tasty prepared Benachin with my vegetables and fish. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next cooking episode. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.